I'm Ross Maddock with Van Ahn & Company for your closing comments for June 12th. The grain markets kind of took it on the chin today, with corn closing down 10.5, soybeans down 10.25. We had the Minneapolis wheat market that was down 6 after starting out 12 to 13 cents lower, and the Kansas City wheat down about 5.75, and then we had the live cattle markets that also took a hit following liquidation of the others. So in all these contracts, we had the grain the sell-off was spurred by the moisture that we had here this over the weekend, and the forecast that we have looking ahead also adding some moisture in. And we'll see how widespread that is here in the coming days, and if those models continue to stay wet enough to keep a lot of these concerned areas out of some trouble. Over in the wheat complex, it is interesting they sold off as hard as they did. We had a crop conditions report here this afternoon, and I wanted to wait to give you those numbers. Spring wheat conditions, good to excellent, dropped a significant amount, and with that 10%, I would say, off the top end, and they've added 9% to the poor to very poor category. So I expect that tomorrow we could see some little bit of recovery here in that spring wheat market, which has led this complex higher to begin with. Over in the livestock markets, we're down about 290 here in the June live cattle contract. That's nearing expiration the end of the month. The cash market is still firm here last week, but that's expected here to tail off just a little bit with cutouts. Losing a little bit of premium following the Father's Day demand wrapping up. We also had cutouts here today that were a little firmer on the day to start off with. Later in the day here, we'll see where they close. The hog market also finished down about $2 in the July contract, and there we're seeing some profit taking as well. If you turn the clock back to last year, we had the higher on that June 14th time frame. It's possible that we set up for that same kind of a break in the market. I don't expect that big of a liquidation this time around because demand's been so strong, but we also have numbers picking up, so weights are going to be key in this hog market. Weights are going to be key in the cattle market, finished weights, and where they actually end up here in the weeks ahead. That'll give us a little more proof here to what's really going on. I'm going to leave you the disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of futures results. Futures and options trading involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers.